So, who are freelancers? Freelancers are self-employed individuals who perform tasks for other people on a per-project basis. GoSimSim has been designed to cater to all types of freelancers. So why should you choose GoSimSim instead of the many other freelance sites online? Well, because GoSimSim provides features which the competition lacks. GoSimSim displays all contact information of the freelancer, so the customer can contact you directly. We have a large number of skill set categories so that your skill can be classified with greater precision. GoSimSim lets you list the feedback you have received on other freelance sites as well, increasing the chances of you getting chosen. Membership is almost free and costs just $1 per month, and there is no limit on the number of customer inquiries. Our clean and easy-to-use interface makes the bidding and awarding process extremely easy. GoSimSim surpasses its competitors in terms of bidding, categories, and portfolio. GoSimSim also provides an escrow facility through PayPal so that all parties are secure. Unlike other portals, GoSimSim doesn't charge any transaction fee for sales or bids awarded to freelancers, which means that if your bid was $1,000 and you have been awarded the project, at the end of the project, you'll receive the entire amount without any deduction. GoSimSim has been designed for you to participate and win projects. And remember that whenever a customer posts a query at GoSimSim, it's forwarded to your email instantly.